Welcome back to Vivid Racing. I'm Aaron, and today we're diving into my top 5 favorite exhausts for the FL5 Civic Type R. And make sure you guys stick around to the end because I'm going to share with you guys exactly why some of these are my favorite and which one I think tops the list. And as always, links are down in the description below for any of you who are looking to make a purchase of one of these exhausts. But you guys didn't come here to talk, you came to hear some exhaust sounds, so let's dive into it. there it is. Those are my top 5 favorite exhausts for the FL5 Civic Type R. And while I was building out this video, I looked into a ton of different exhausts, and these are the ones that kind of stood out to me. If I had to pick one of the 5, I would absolutely go with the Milltek non-resonated with open valves. I really do think that system provides the most character and attitude and attack throughout the entire RPM range. It definitely suited what I like to hear in an exhaust. The Milltek is a clear number 1 in my eyes, but what I think could even take it to the next level would be downpipes, whether you go for a high flow cat that is street legal, or if you go with a catless downpipe that would be for track use. Either one of those two would be amazing options depending on what you use the car for. I would absolutely do that if you're gonna swap out the exhaust. It will be well worth it. But that's all, those are my thoughts. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like I said at the beginning of the video, if you're interested in any of these exhausts, make sure you guys use the links in the description below. But that's all for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Peace.